Hi everyone, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. If you're new, welcome to the channel for the first time, and if you're not new, welcome back to the channel. Guys, today I want to bring to you another money-making idea with ChatGPT. It's a very simple idea, and whether you have skills or not, you can utilize this with the power of ChatGPT. You could easily make $100 per day. Depending on what categories you choose, you can make even more per day. And if you're a person who working a 9-to-5 job but still not able to make as much money and would like to do something on the side, then this idea is perfect for you because you can use the power of ChatGPT to make ridiculous money. Now guys, I'm going to show you how to find those ideas in ChatGPT, and I'm going to share with you some websites that you can go to find some jobs that you can use ChatGPT to do them for you. Simple as that. Let's jump to my computer screen so that I can show you how this is done. Let's go. Now guys, as you can see on my screen here, there are a bunch of other websites just like Upwork. You know, Fiverr, People Per Hour, Freelancer.com, Truelancer, AngelList, and the list goes on. And if you head over to Upwork, for example, under More, you will see writing and translation, and you will see a bunch of skills, bunch of services that you can offer. Content writers, translators, editors, ghostwriters, grant writers, creative writers, copywriters, and the list goes on. Head over to Fiverr as well. Under writing and translation, you see the same thing, guys. Articles and blog posts. You see script writing, creative writing, podcast writing, speech writing, translation, and the list goes on. Now let me open some of these services and show you just how much they're paying. Now for example, under articles and blogs, look at some of these prices, guys. 29, look at that, 97, 44, 101. It's crazy. It's crazy. Let's head over to another one, script writing, and you can see that there are different types of script writing that you can do. Video script, look at that. So many different things that you can do. $52, $53, $116, guys. Look at that. $279. You can make so much money utilizing this. I really hope that you're finding this video really interesting. And if you do, take the moment, subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and let's continue. Now, look at another one, creative writing. And look at these prices. So all you have to do is just sign up to one of these sites and offer your service or offer your gig. Look at this. Under translation, you can see they offer some nice prices as well that you can choose to put on your website. And look at this. Under translation, you can see a lot of good prices as well, where people are offering their services, are offering their gigs, let's say. Look at this now, guys. Podcast writing, you see the prices as well. Now, you've seen this service and you'd like to know how you can offer this service for yourself with the power of ChatGPT. Let me show you in ChatGPT. Now, what I've done, I've gone ahead and I've used ChatGPT to help to create an example of a few of these services. Now, as you see right here, I've asked ChatGPT to write an article of 2,000 words on how to make money online. And look at this. ChatGPT write a full article for me on how to make money online. And guys, if you'd like to go more in depth on a particular part of your article, just simply ask ChatGPT, explain more point 2 or point 3 or point 4, or just simply copy the part and just say explain this in more details, dash and paste it, and ChatGPT will explain more in depth for you. And look at this now. I asked ChatGPT, write a YouTube video script of 2,000 words on how to make money online. And it has done that for me. It has written the script of how to make money online. And you can go in depth within this as well. And here you can see again, I've asked ChatGPT, write a 10-minute YouTube video script on how to make money online. And it did a brilliant job as well by doing that. Look at this one now, guys. Write an engaging and creative story in full details on how your mindset can change your life. And ChatGPT did an amazing job coming up with a really nice story, a really nice creative story on how your mindset can change your life. In a translation, I've asked ChatGPT, translate this story into Spanish. All I did is ask it to translate in Spanish dash the story, and look what it did, guys. ChatGPT translate the full story into Spanish. And now you see the power within ChatGPT and how you can utilize it to offer gigs or offer your services on various websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and so much more. And this is how you can utilize the ChatGPT to make money using these services. You just need to go on these sites, offer your gigs, and then when somebody requests a service from you, you utilize ChatGPT to help you write the script and make some money. Now, I must mention, guys, even though ChatGPT can write this for you within one go, and if you're offering a service, for example, writing an article for a website, you want to ask ChatGPT to write an article in such a way that it is fully optimized for a search engine. Just go ahead, put some more effort into it, and make your work much more professional so that your customers will be satisfied. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now, if you find some value within this video, let us know in the comments below, guys. And especially if you try this new technique that I'm showing you, or if you already tried this technique and it's working for you, then I'd really appreciate if you share your story within the comments so that others can see, because I think it's a brilliant idea. And yeah, if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and see you next time for another tutorial from Drew Tutorial. See you next time. Bye.